Who's that in the picture? Sissy. You want to find?
Sissy.
Oh. Good job, Grace. Hi, Mare. How you doing, Mare? Good job, Grace. Hey, Mare, where's Gracie? Yeah, Gracie's up there, isn't she? Good job, Gracie. No, not if you don't have to. Remember, pretend that rope's not there. You're getting too used to that rope. Just stay against the wall while holding on to the rock. Good. All right. Go to the right more, Gracie. Right. Look for the right one. There you go. Good. Good. Keep your foot on that. Good. Now take your right foot and bring it all the way up to your chest. That's your left. Good. Take your right foot, bring it up again. Good. There you go. There you go. Left foot and right foot, one or the other, move straight up to your chest. It's okay. Good, Gracie, you're doing good. Hit the bell. Good job. Good job, sweetie. Awesome. Gracie, hit the bell. Good job.